Welcome back to the channel. If you're a Hostinger user and want to update your email ID in 2025, you've landed on the right video. Whether you change your primary email or just want better control over your account, I'll walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to update your email ID without any confusion. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Hostinger website. On the top right corner, click on POA Login and enter your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to the Hostinger dashboard, also known as the H panel. Now, from your dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, you'll see a section with your personal details, including your registered email address. To change it, look for the email address field. Click on the Edit or Change option next to it. Next, type in the new email ID that you'd like to use for your Hostinger account. Make sure it's an active email that you have full access to, because Hostinger will send you a confirmation link. Once you've entered the new email, click Save Changes. At this point, Hostinger will send a verification email to your new address. Open that email, click on the confirmation link, and that's it. Your account email ID is officially updated. If you don't see the verification email right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. And remember, until you verify the new email, your old one will still remain active for login. And that's how quick and easy it is to change your email ID in Hostinger in 2025. Just a few clicks, a confirmation, and you're done. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and share this video with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.